How to apply for a U.S. Bank Unsecured Business Loan? Introduction to U.S. Bank Business Loans. This educational guide provides a step-by-step walkthrough on applying for a U.S. Bank Unsecured Business Loan. These loans offer a flexible, collateral-free financing option to help businesses cover inventory, accounts receivable, operations, and other needs. The process emphasizes eligibility, required documents, and best practices for approval. Understanding the loan details. The U.S. Bank Quick Loan provides unsecured loans up to $50,000, with repayment terms up to 48 months. Fixed interest rates start at approximately 8.99%, depending on creditworthiness and other factors. Loans up to $250,000 are available for secured options. These loans are designed for businesses needing funds for various purposes, including inventory, operations, or accounts receivable. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for a U.S. Bank Unsecured Business Loan, businesses must meet the following criteria. Age of business, minimum of 6 months in operation. Active U.S. bank account, required unless your business operates in specific states. State-specific requirements, businesses in states like Arizona, California, or Ohio must be U.S. bank customers for at least 12 months. Ownership details, all owners with 20% or more stake must be included in the application. Credit status, unlock any credit freezes with Equifax or Experian before applying. Preparing required information. Before applying, gather the following: business details, establishment date, industry code, primary address, and IN. Owner information, names, ownership percentages, and personal financial details. Bank statements, up to 3 months of statements may be required to demonstrate cash flow. Revenue details, ensure consistency between reported revenue and bank statements. Steps to apply for a U.S. Bank Business Loan. Visit U.S. Bank's website, navigate to the Business Loan section, select Quick Loan, and click Apply Now. Provide personal information, include full name, email, phone number, social security number, employment status, and income. Enter business details, provide IN, primary office address, and the purpose of the loan. Indicate business structure, LLC or corporation, and the establishment date. Confirm additional information, clarify how the loan will be used and provide accurate financial data. The review process. After submission, expect the following: underwriting review, business revenue, public records, and website details may be assessed. Hard credit inquiry, a review of your credit profile will occur within 2 business days. Verification, a U.S. bank representative will contact you to confirm information and may request additional documents like bank statements. Loan approval and funding. Approval timeline. Approval decisions are typically made within a week, and funds are deposited within 2 to 3 business days after final approval. Repayment terms. Terms are provided upon approval, with options up to 48 months. Automatic payments from a U.S. bank account can reduce interest rates. Special considerations. In eligible industries, avoid restricted sectors like payday lending or auto title loans to prevent denial. Specialized programs, women, veteran, or minority-owned businesses may qualify for diversity lending programs. SBA-backed loans, Small Business Administration, SBA, guarantees can simplify approval and improve terms. Final approval and funding. Once verified, you'll receive a confirmation email and loan terms. The entire process typically takes 7 to 10 business days from application to funding. Ensure all details align, including revenue figures and supporting documents, for a smooth approval process. Conclusion. Applying for a U.S. bank unsecured business loan can provide essential funds to grow your business. By ensuring accurate documentation and aligning your application with eligibility requirements, you can maximize your chances of approval. Subscribe for more information. Stay connected for more educational content on business loans, credit, and financial strategies.